Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an awesome tool called SiteMonki, which can help you monitor your website performance, uptime, domain expiry, SSL expiry, health checks, and a lot more. And hey, if it's your first time to this channel, I help people just like you establish an online presence from scratch. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Let's dive straight in. Boom! So guys, we are here and we are going to just go through this awesome tool, SiteMonki, that helps us monitor website uptime, performance, domain expiry, SSL expiry, and a lot more other things through this simple web interface that helps you automate your website monitoring. To get started is really simple. By just going to the home page, you get this call to action where it says get started now, and here they introduce you SiteMonki that says automate your website monitoring, have a peace of mind while you monitor the critical pieces of your infrastructure. It can be websites, applications. You don't need to have any coding knowledge to use this platform, the interface, the dashboard, adding domains and things like that, which we are going to go through in just a couple of seconds. So you can monitor your website, you can monitor your domain, you can monitor your SSL, and also doing some health checks and cron jobs. So at the moment it is free. You can easily sign up, add a number of domains. You can add a number of websites. I don't know what SiteMonki is looking forward and how they are going to be charging, but I think it's for free. Though I don't know till when, but for now it's working and it's working perfect. So let's just dive straight in by just clicking by sign in. If you don't have an account, you can just say sign up. I'll just sign in using my GitHub account. This is the dashboard that gives you a highlight of whatever is happening in your account. For now, I've already added about 4 websites. I've added 3 domains and also 3 SSL monitoring. On the other side, we have a quick link to any of these services here, like the websites, health checks, domains, and SSL certificates. On the other side, on the menu, you can read about the notifications. It's a notification, which is pretty interesting. It shows you the domains that are going actually to expire soon. This is my blog's domain, and this is a client's domain that I think is expiring in 1 week and 5 days. Wow. Just imagine, I've not even received any notification about this domain expiry. So that's how handy this tool comes in. The other part, you can also check on your profile. You can update, do a couple of tweaks here and there and changes, including changing your password and a number of other things. So let's start with the websites. So when you click on the website, menu icon, you get here where you can add a website. It shows you the status whether the website is online. Being online, is it accessible? Can it load? Can people use it? And then the date shows you when you added this website. You can pause, you can delete this website from your dashboard in case you no longer want to monitor it. But just now I'm going to add one website. I'm just going to add one website. Let me add Gorilla Arts Africa. I think I'll add the secured version with a HTTPS. So just copy this. What does SiteMonki say? It should be that, and then up here without the HTTP. So we say add website. So straight in, it's added there and then, including the date when it's added, and you can also do a couple of edits if in case you missed out, in case you entered a domain which is right but not the domain that you actually have to add. So here it shows that it's it's up, which is accessible. Yes, it's true, it's accessible, and you can easily do whatever things you have to do on this website. On the other hand, I want us to delete one of these. Let me say state Barbie properties. You can say delete maybe the client moved their domain and no longer interested in monitoring their services. On the other hand, also we can check out one of the expiring domains from the notification and we get all the details. Now, wow, this is super interesting. It is pulling all the information that appears in the Whois database, and it is showing you exactly when it was registered, how it was registered, where, what time, the server, and all those things. So this is really interesting. So far I've actually added over, these are 4 domains, and before I deleted the other one there were 5 domains. So let's head to domains. So here on the website we're basically looking up for, is the website available, when did we add it, like available online, is it accessible? But under domains we can basically enter domains so that we monitor when, if the domain is available, I mean available, is it accessible, when is it expiring, or has it expired? Also, if the domain is expiring, I know SiteMonki will give you a heads up that hey, this domain is expiring and so you should take action. If we move to the SSL part, SSL, like every other domain you are adding and has SSL enabled, you can also add that specific domain, and then by adding this domain name it will help you monitor your website SSL, validity, uptime, expiring, and all those details. So here it is showing us that these SSLs that are attached to these domains are still valid and they are expiring this date, and the last date this monitor SiteMonki checked on these domains, which is pretty interesting. So we can just check on one of these, which is, let me say, Obags, and yes, here it gives you all the details, the SSL provider, where it is, where it's hosted, the serial number, the issuer of that SSL, the validity. Wow, this is super interesting, a lot of details just in this. You can also do a couple of health checks, you know, by adding a health check for different properties or infrastructure you're running, and a lot more other things. Hey, I hope you found this tool SiteMonki of value and that it will help you in your next web projects and probably monitoring your website uptime, performance, and health checks. Question about the video. What are the challenges you've been having so far while monitoring more than one website? If it's about security, if it's about uptime, if it's about health checks, let me know in the comment box below. I'll be happy to read from you. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and if it's your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. See you in my next video.